Hey guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. In this video, I wanted to talk to you about a side hustle. As we know, 2020 taught so many people about not relying on a single source of income, because obviously so many people lost their main jobs or they went on a furlough, so obviously they had a break in their income, but still they had the same incoming bill. So obviously 2020 was a shift, or was a challenge for many people to adapt, as we already know, the most successful people, especially the most successful entrepreneurs, adapt, adopt and improve, to quote Monty Python boys, right? I was wondering, what did you do to adapt to the new situation? Did you start a side hustle? Did you start working from home? Did you start an online business or your own business that you were putting off for years, and suddenly you had this awful amount of free time, so you spend this time developing yourself and developing your business, working on your business? I'm really interested, what the positive have you come out when it comes to 2020. 2020 was a good year here for me because I started side hustle. I started another one in 2021, so I started another one in February this year. So this is really good. So I've got 3 sources of income at the moment, so this is fantastic. One of them is passive, the other one is quite involved because I upcycle furniture. So it requires a lot of time, it requires a lot of effort, obviously carrying a lot of furniture. But I'm wondering, what kind of business did you choose as your side hustle? I'd love to know, so leave your comment below, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular Shopify SEO, marketing and motivational tips, and I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye!
If you love this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular Shopify and SEO tips. Now check those 2 videos recommended for you here to watch next, to learn about running a successful online business, driving free traffic and sales. I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye!